Hey, what's up? It's your boy, the Overlord here.
Yeah, y'all.
And we got Ace, the stuttering face back in the back. And we're about to do a mukbang video for y'all. So we're going to go through and like hit a bunch of spots and order a bunch of food. And then we'll do like a little mukbang. We'll have a discussion or whatever. This is my first mukbang, I guess, as far as like different places. But like, you know, I'm a buffet connoisseur, so if you want to count that, that's definitely something I've done before. We've been to a few buffets actually, but for definite, for show.
You know what I'm saying?
But
different cities.
yeah, hey, you feel me? Like
different cities, different
hey, we're trying to go nationwide with this buffet tour that we have going on. So like, hit us up with your favorite buffet. We might make it there, we might not. We'll see what happens. But we're coming up on our first stop. We're gonna go to Sonic and get us some what they have, popcorn chicken, you know, for this is what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a dollar menu mukbang, because you know we starving artists, you feel me? So that's what we're doing.
Should we get one of them or just two or two?
Nigga, let's get like the limit is 5. Let's get 3.
Alright, we go.
All right.
Just 3 orders of popcorn chicken.
Yeah.
So 99-cent popcorn chickens.
Yes, sir. You want 1 second?
I should went to the drive through.
I know. I felt like it would have been. Sometimes the drive-thru be hella long though.
I don't know. Sonic's been one of those places where it's like either the service is great. It's either hit or miss. Either the service is great or it's not. These people ain't don't even have skates on or nothing. So you know they coming slow with your food.
They coming out how fast they walk. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, it's gonna be cool.
Chickens, anything else for you there?
That's it.
Not a problem. 319. Have a ride out.
Yes, ma'am. 3 and here's the 19. Hey, do you have any sauce?
I'm not sure.
No. What kind do you have inside?
Barbecue, ranch, honey mustard, and the signature.
Let me catch a honey mustard. What's the signature?
Can I have one of each, please?
Okay.
Yeah, what's the signature sauce? I don't know what that one's like. I ain't never heard of signature Sonic sauce. That shit fast as fuck or what?
Skate oil?
You say skate oil?
I don't know. I don't know what kind of sauce they be signature.
We blending our rollerblades and everything. On to the next one.
I'm like, damn, nigga.
Trifling, bro. So we had Jack in the Crack. You know, it's probably one we'll die for from or whatever. You know,
Stop number 2.
Hey, their food be kind of suspect sometimes. So, what's it?
Alright, they got junior jumbo jacks, chicken sandwich, 2 tacos at $119.
That's fine, I guess. We get some value. This is value fries. Maybe like if we go somewhere else, they got some fries. We'll rate the fries as well. You know what I mean?
Compare the fries.
Yeah.
So which one?
A little rate
So which one to get?
Let's get some fries, tacos, and chicken sandwiches.
Which one to give? One of each or?
Yeah, we can get that.
1 chicken sandwich, a value fry, and 2 tacos?
Yeah.
Welcome, Jack in the Box. May I help you?
Okay,
Can I have a chicken sandwich?
Yes, I do.
Can I have a value fry?
She said yes.
How many chicken sandwiches?
Just 1.
1 chicken sandwich. Anything else?
Can I get a value fries?
Value fries, okay.
And then can we get 4 tacos?
4 taco, okay.
And that's gonna be it.
Thank you. Come to the window.
Can I get the dope?
Can you hold the curry, please?
Hey. I just need to know how much it was. Like we got.
How much you have right there?
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6.
Okay, it was $5.12.
Yeah, no. We ordered 3 things. Nigga.
I got some change. Just give me a 5. Or just give me $5. I don't want the baby copyright my shit. can I have some buttermilk, please? Oh, it's inside already? Bag number 2. Oh, did you get it on the table? Pass it back, D. Ace.
Oh, grease. Look at it. Shining,
Thank you,
bro.
man. You have a good one.
Number 2. On to the next one. Hey. Boy, if you don't get your hand on the bag, bro. Nah, no.
How you
No.
starting early?
No. Negative.
No.
Stop. Put
No.
it down.
No.
Put it down. Next stop, we have Burger King. Don't even play. Get knocked out like your father used to. Nigga, no, don't do it.
What can I get for you?
Can you give me a 1 second, please?
Yeah.
All right, can I get 2 orders of the 10-piece nuggets?
One regular, one spice.
Yeah, can I have 1 regular and 1 spicy?
No so spicy anymore. Did you want the regular ones instead?
Nah, just give me just 1 order of it then.
Y'all messing. Burger King, y'all messing up, bro. Y'all
Uh,
have spicy chicken
can I have
nuggets no
barbecue,
more?
ranch, honey mustard?
Y'all have spicy chicken nuggets no more? Bro, hey, you lost. If we was doing a test right now,
And,
or
can
we
I
was
get
doing
a
who
double
got the best
cheeseburger?
nuggets, Burger King, y'all lost. Y'all
Got
lost.
it.
Ain't got no spicy nuggets no more.
Give me a spicy chicken junior and a regular chicken junior.
Anything else for you?
That's gonna be it.
576, second window.
Thank you.
Hey, Burger King, you out, bro. How you not gonna sell like the one
nuggets?
good thing y'all had over like almost everybody else? Spicy chicken nuggets. Who else got spicy nuggets that's actually like hitting the game?
Wendy's got spicy
Nobody. They thought they didn't bring them back yet.
Or maybe they didn't.
I thought they haven't brought them back yet. As far as I know, they still out of commission. So y'all had a one up. Had it being the other primary word, but not no more.
How are you doing? 576.
I got some change right here, boss. You like the type to be mad you're recording.
I don't give a.
Take me off the camera.
Come take the camera on my hand.
Can I through that window?
You feel me?
Appreciate it. That's at a preview, you know what I'm saying?
Some people ain't got no home training.
That's all right. You know, get his ass home trained. What? You know what I'm saying? Don't play with me, dog. Being friendly, you know what I'm saying? Number 3.
Well, this would have been cool with some spicy nuggets, but I mean, I guess it's okay. Keep your hands out the bags, bro. That's what I said. On to the next one. Taco Bell.
Across the street.
Across the street. Jaywalking and whatnot. You feel me?
Pop it again. Why do they have that on the menu?
Even the cinnamon twist too?
Cinnamon twists are garbage.
So everything but the cinnamon twist.
That's the worst thing they have, yeah.
I want to give it a try.
That's 8 things. I mean, it's cool. I'm just making sure that's what you want.
Let's go for it.
What are we gonna drink? Oh, we get drinks at McDonald's. They're $1.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, no.
Oh, 1 second, please.
Okay.
You wanna do that? Okay. All right, I'm ready. Can I get a spicy potato soft taco?
Okay.
Cheese, bean, and rice burrito.
Okay.
A beefy Frito burrito.
Okay.
A shredded chicken mini quesadilla.
God damn. Get yourself a dang quesadilla.
And then a beefy mini quesadilla.
Okay.
And then can I also get the grande nachos box?
Except for my drink.
What do you drink?
Beef or steak? Or beef or chicken?
Beef is cool.
Can I get beef with the Baja Blast?
I'm sorry?
Can I get a Baja Blast?
What else?
That's gonna be it.
10-7-8-3-6-4-4. Thank you.
I didn't even think about that. And they had $1 value fries too on the menu.
You can still go back across the street.
I mean, we can. Go get
Up to you.
a
You want to order some fries here? The nacho fries?
I mean, we can.
I'm down.
I'm not even hitting that.
That's what a mukbang is, bro. Hella food.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, I hope you got a plunger. It's a Pepto. Let's stop at the CVS and get us a Pepto Bismol. Bro. I said get your hands on the bag, son. Nah. Let me hear it
Man,
again.
that's a lot of food.
Let me hear it
bro.
again, bro. Let me hear it again.
There's gonna be a lot of food left over.
You can take them too. You check, see if the food's still in there. Yeah. I'll be checking the food. I'll be checking if the food's still in there too when we
It's
stop.
not gonna be warm, bro. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Some of it's gonna cool down, bro.
Yeah. That's how food works. You got a microwave.
You know what I'm saying? What you crying about? There's kids that don't get food at all, D. Be happy that you're getting food, alright? Thank you. First drink, you know what I'm saying?
If you're gonna stop somewhere and get something,
Thank you.
get the Baja Blast.
Can I have fire and hot
Mild.
and mild? You don't like the hot?
And their hot sauce tastes like garbage. Their fire sauce is garbage. The mild is the only one that's flavorful that tastes good to me. It's the only one that's good for me.
I feel you.
In my opinion, it's whatever.
No, everybody has their own opinion.
Have you tried the chips? Off the sauces? They got Diablo chips, they got fire chips, and they have mild sauce flavored chips.
No.
Nope. They're not gonna lie. They're pretty good. Well, the mild are. The rest are garbage. That's what I asked you.
Let me tell you about staying in the backseat,
Hey.
dog.
Shut up while grown folks is talking.
That's what happens when you the baby, dog.
You feel me?
And I'm not talking about the rapper. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you, Lord. Got a little weight, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, coming good, you remember?
Got a nachos, you remember?
So we're on our last stop right now, which is Wendy's. Turn this down. You're on our last stop, which is gonna be Wendy's right now.
Today?
Yeah, can I get a 4 for $4 deal?
4 for 4?
Yeah.
Which one?
You want a burger or chicken sandwich?
Okay.
Can I get a junior cheeseburger deluxe?
Okay, what kind of different sauce like for your nuggets?
Barbecue and honey mustard.
And what like to drink?
Can I have a strawberry lemonade?
No strawberry
Strawberry
lemonade.
lemonade, okay? Anything else, sir?
And then can I have a small chili?
What chili? I can under the cheese in it?
What he said?
Yes, please. Onions and cheese.
Anything else, sir?
That's gonna be it.
I didn't know what he said, bro.
Thank you.
It's like one of those recordings of like Grand Illustration.
I was like,
Nigga, what?
I don't understand what he was saying.
Huh? I was really confused for a second.
It says 7 something.
Then the pink one?
Yeah, like a booger hanging out of his nose.
That's what sauce they got.
Sauce?
Yeah. Did you order sauce? Oh, I'm not even sure. You already said sauce. I forgot.
Hey, you want me to see what else they have?
So they got ranch.
If you don't mind, can I also get some ranch, please?
We found a booger in our food. We coming straight back together.
Oh, but I know exactly who this is from.
I know where this Klingon came from. Class 5 Klingon right there, buddy. Bats flying out the cave. Nigga, no Batman.
What was that, sir? What do you want again?
Can I have a ranch too? That was like talking to me, bro.
The burger?
Yeah, nigga, that's like.
What else did you order? Coming through with the last top. Wendy's.
And the chili smells good as fuck.
That red-headed witch. Shoot. Spill if you want to.
Get your ass beat if you want to, nigga. Try me, boy.
Hey, yeah.
We got 3, 4, 5, 6 bags.
And you're carrying them all inside.
Hey.
By yourself. No help.
No, we don't make 2 trips here. It's one straight trip, bro. One straight trip.